Preparing students for the AI era. The essential skills and knowledge for success. As artificial intelligence, AI, continues to grow and permeate various aspects of our lives, the need to equip students with the skills and knowledge required to thrive in this rapidly changing landscape becomes increasingly important. Education systems must adapt to prepare students for the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead in the AI era. In this video, we will explore the essential skills and knowledge that students will need, as well as how educational institutions can adapt to better prepare them for a future driven by AI. Developing computational thinking and problem-solving skills. One of the foundational skills for success in the AI era is computational thinking, which involves breaking down complex problems into smaller, more manageable components. This skill enables students to better understand and address problems using a systematic approach. By incorporating computational thinking in curricula, students will be better equipped to tackle issues that arise in AI-related fields and beyond. Emphasizing digital literacy and data fluency. With AI driving an ever-increasing amount of decision-making, students will need to become proficient in digital literacy and data fluency. This includes understanding how to navigate, evaluate, and create digital content, as well as being able to interpret, analyze, and visualize data. Integrating digital literacy and data fluency across subjects will empower students to critically assess the information they encounter and make informed decisions in their personal and professional lives. Fostering creativity and innovation. AI has the potential to automate various tasks, but human creativity remains indispensable. Encouraging students to think creatively and develop innovative solutions will be essential for their success in the AI era. Schools can do this by integrating project-based learning, design thinking, and collaborative problem-solving activities into their curricula. This will not only foster creativity but also help students build essential skills like teamwork and communication. Cultivating emotional intelligence and empathy. As AI systems become more integrated into our lives, the ability to understand and manage emotions, as well as empathize with others, will become increasingly important. Fostering emotional intelligence and empathy in students can help them better collaborate with others, navigate social situations, and adapt to the evolving needs of the workforce. Incorporating social-emotional learning in education can help students develop these essential skills. Encouraging lifelong learning. The rapid pace of technological advancements, particularly in AI, requires that individuals be adaptable and open to continuous learning. Schools can instill this mindset by encouraging students to be curious, self-directed learners who seek out new knowledge and skills. Offering opportunities for students to explore their interests and passions can help them develop a love of learning that will serve them well throughout their lives. Integrating ethics and responsible AI use. As AI becomes more prevalent, understanding the ethical implications and ensuring responsible use of these technologies is crucial. Schools should integrate ethics, digital citizenship, and responsible AI use into their curricula, helping students develop the ability to critically evaluate AI applications and their potential impact on society. Enhancing interdisciplinary learning. AI applications often require an understanding of multiple disciplines. Encouraging interdisciplinary learning can help students develop the ability to think across subject boundaries, allowing them to find innovative solutions to complex problems. Schools can facilitate this by integrating real-world projects that require collaboration between students from different disciplines or by offering courses that blend concepts from various fields. Fostering entrepreneurship and adaptability. With the growth of AI, there will be numerous opportunities for entrepreneurs and those who can adapt to the changing job market. Teaching students about entrepreneurship and the skills required to succeed in this domain can help them identify and seize opportunities in the AI era. Additionally, fostering adaptability in students will enable them to adjust to new roles and challenges that emerge as AI technologies continue to develop. Promoting global citizenship. In an increasingly interconnected world, it is crucial for students to understand and appreciate diverse perspectives and cultures. Promoting global citizenship can help students develop a broader understanding of the world, allowing them to better collaborate and contribute to global AI initiatives. Schools can achieve this by providing opportunities for international collaboration, exchange programs, or by incorporating global perspectives into their curricula. Encouraging critical thinking and media literacy. As AI continues to influence the information we consume, it becomes essential for students to develop critical thinking and media literacy skills. This will empower them to evaluate the credibility and accuracy of information, identify biases, and make informed decisions. Schools can promote these skills by incorporating critical thinking and media literacy lessons across subjects, as well as by engaging students in discussions about current events and AI-related news. Adapting education systems. In order to prepare students for the AI era, education systems must adapt to these new realities. Some potential strategies include updating curricula to incorporate AI-related skills and knowledge across various subjects, training educators to effectively teach AI concepts and skills, as well as to integrate AI tools in their classrooms, expanding access to technology and resources, ensuring that all students have equal opportunities to develop AI-related skills. Fostering partnerships between schools, universities, and industry to create relevant learning experiences and connect students with real-world applications of AI. Thanks for joining me on this exciting exploration of how we can prepare students for the AI era. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Future Ready Education for more insightful discussions.